Hey guys, are you feeling overwhelmed about paying for your studies in Germany just like we did?
Trust me, you're not alone.
Yeah.
Like between thinking about blocked accounts, rent, health insurance, semester fees, and groceries, it can suddenly feel a lot more expensive. So we have a good news for that. Yes.
The best scholarships are here in Germany.
Yeah.
And today we are counting down our top 5 scholarships for international students from beginner friendly to fully funded.
Yes, and we are not just listing them. We'll exactly show you like how to apply and what they look for and what are the mistakes the students get rejected.
And also from personal experiences. So
Yes.
grab a notebook, you want to save this one.
Yes, let's start with the scholarship almost nobody talks about.
Which is the Deutschland Stipendium. You always want me to say this.
Yeah. I love this one because it's one of the few scholarships available even for bachelor students. So
And the best part is it's open to all nationalities, although the funding is only 300 per month.
yeah, now some people hear like 300 euros and they say that's not life changing. Yeah, tell that to your supermarket bill.
And that's almost 30,000 rupees in India.
Yes.
So that covers your groceries and your monthly transport, the
Yeah.
less stress every single month.
Yeah, please tell them the step-by-step application process for this.
Visit your university website and search for Deutschland Stipendium
Yes.
plus your university name.
Yeah, and also check what are the eligibility requirements for this application, and because usually they look at like academic performance, motivation, and sometimes social engagement.
So prepare your documents. It's a bit standardized for all applications, your CV, transcript, motivation letter, and your certificates.
Yes, and actually submit this through university portal. You don't need to go anywhere else, and don't assume that your grades aren't high enough for these. Like many universities, they also consider like personal challenges and life circumstances. So go ahead with this.
The next one is the Friedrich Ebert Stiftung.
Yes, this scholarship is perfect if you have been active in your community. Maybe you have volunteered.
Maybe you worked on social projects, you've led student groups, and
Yes.
that's absolutely what they love.
The step-by-step application requirements is where first you need to check whether your degree and nationality qualify for this.
Register on your application portal here,
Yeah, and also write a powerful motivation letter, not a generic one.
and that's not quite hard with Claude these days.
Yeah.
And they want to know why Germany, why your field, how do you want to contribute to society.
And step 4 is like submit the references and academic records.
And if you're shortlisted, prepare for interviews.
Yeah, think of it less like an exam and more like a conversation about your goals.
Fundings can actually reach around to 992 per month for students plus additional support.
It's really a very good deal here.
Yeah.
Yeah, next one is KAS, that is Konrad Adenauer Foundation.
And this is where things get serious. KA looks for future leaders, not just students with perfect grades, but people who led projects.
Yes, and the step-by-step application process is create your account on the KAS application portal.
Gather your academic documents.
Yes, and you collect recommendation letters first and upload them.
And choose your professors who actually know your work.
Yes, showcase your leadership.
Volunteer work, student organizations, community projects, these all add up to your portfolio. So prepare for the interview.
Yes, and they will ask about your goals, values, and how you engage with your society. So this scholarship actually can provide around
1,400 per month.
Yeah.
For doctoral students plus additional benefits. The next is the Heinrich Boll Foundation. This is incredibly popular these days.
Yeah, it's actually especially among students interested in sustainability, climate policy, like you, human rights, and social issues.
Just like me.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't apply for it, but it's good to know. If you worked on environmental projects, this scholarship is absolutely on your list.
Yeah, and the step-by-step application process for this scholarship is first check application deadlines.
Don't wait till the last week.
Now, and prepare your motivation letter first.
And be specific. Don't write, I care about the environment.
Yeah.
Show what you've actually done.
Yes, and upload your academic records and provide the recommendation letters and complete interviews if you're selected.
Funding varies depending on your academic level and situation.
Yeah, but the networking opportunities are almost as valuable as the money here.
The king of them all.
Oh God, the first one now.
The DAAD, which even I have been able to secure.
If scholarships had a Bundesliga, DAAD would be Bayern Munich here.
Exactly.
Yes.
Thousands of international students are funded every year.
And the step-by-step application processes. Step 1 is visit the DAAD scholarship database.
This is where most students get confused. Don't search randomly.
No.
Filter by your country, degree level, subject area.
And the step 2 is find programs that match your profile.
Prepare documents early.
And you'll actually usually need like CV, motivation letter, degree certificates, transcripts, language certificates, and references.
And build a strong story.
Yes, a focused application often beats a higher GPA. So submit months before deadlines.
Not like me.
Yeah. The students who start preparing 1 year in advance have a huge advantage here.
DAD funding often includes monthly stipend, health insurance, travel allowance, research allowance, and additional support benefits.
If you only remember one thing from today's video, remember this. Scholarships are not just about grades.
Many of these programs care about your leadership, your community involvement, and motivation.
Yes, and also your story. So start preparing now.
And tell us in the comments below which scholarship are you applying for.
Good luck and see you in Germany.